Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about the top 5 exercises for relieving headaches. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Frequent headaches may affect your performance. Especially if you have dizziness, nausea, palpitations, and vision problems with headaches, you should regularly use your muscles and blood vessels to improve headaches. We have listed 5 motions that will eliminate headaches if you do them regularly. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Dolphin Pose. This pose could be considered a great whole body workout. It improves your flexibility, opens your back, shoulders, spine, and hips. It engages the core muscles and hamstrings, too. Other physical benefits could help reduce blood pressure and improve the nervous system because of its inverted V position. It boosts your blood flow to the brain, which also causes mental advantages like improving concentration, memory, awareness, and decreasing depressive symptoms. The reason why this pose improves your headaches is due to increased blood flow in the head vessels. It is not difficult to do. Imagine you want to make a triangle with your body and the ground. Straighten your entire legs, toes on the floor, heels are about 1 inch up the floor. Now slightly put your elbows on the floor, your arms should touch your ears, and your back should be completely straight. This is an inverted V position. You can place your palms either on the floor or hold them together. Number 4. Legs up the wall pose. Legs up the wall pose is a therapeutic yoga pose that delivers a wide range of benefits. It makes it a famous choice among people wishing to heal their headaches by yoga poses. It's convenient for many people due to its comfort and variations, making it excellent for new to yoga. If you want to prevent back pain, you can place a cushion or folded blanket under your hips. Using higher help to have more flexibility. Adjust accordingly to find your comfort spot. Bend your knees as much as you want, and if it makes you feel more comfortable, you can even place a pillow between your knees and the wall. You may use a cushion or folded blanket under your head and neck. To do this pose, lie on the ground, near the wall, and place your leg on the wall. You can have a slight bend on your knees. Relax your body, and let the blood flow throughout your body. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Hold the pose for 10 minutes. Number 3. Upward facing dog. This is one of the most influential stretch poses that help improve strength, flexibility, and mental benefits. One of them is it fights headaches, tiredness and, at the same time, gives you a better sleep. It boosts the body posture by helping to be more flexible, leads you to prevent bones and joints injury, and relieves the spine and lower back pain, making you fit and healthy. To do this fantastic pose, you should lie on your stomach at first, straighten your arms and legs, toes on the floor. Place your hands beside the body, bend the elbow, now lift with your torso, look forward and slowly move your head backward until you feel comfortable. Breathe deeply and slowly. Hold the pose for 60 seconds. Don't try an upward facing dog if you have shoulder and back pain or injury. Number 2. Forward fold. This exercise is excellent for releasing tension in your spine, hamstring, and your glutes. If you do this standing stretch correctly, you should feel the opening and lengthening of the entire backside of your body. To do this wonderful exercise, you just need to stand with your toes touching, bring your hands to your buttocks and fold forward at your hips. Put your hands toward the floor as far as you can. It is okay to not touch the ground. You should have a slight bend on your knee to prevent some damage. Let your spine lengthen, then release and soften your hips joints. Your chin should be into your chest, and your head should fall heavy to the floor. Hold the motion for up to 1 minute. Number 1. Butterfly Pose. This pose is a wonderful pose for starting and ending yoga practices. It is easy and beneficial. As most of us are working in seated poses, we have not usually had a good posture. This causes neck pain and headaches. This pose could help us a lot to rest our body, especially our thighs and back. During the pose, we should have a great focus on our breathing. Inhales should be deep and slow, which is why this pose helps reduce stress, depression, and anxiety. The butterfly pose is really simple to do. Just sit on your yoga mat, bend both knees to form a winged butterfly pose, which means your soles should press the other one. Keep your spine tall and straight, hold your toes with your hand. Try a little up and down movement in your knees like a butterfly. Inhale deep, exhale slowly. Keep the pose for 1 minute. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.